How to block or unblock pop-ups in Safari in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open setting. In settings, scroll down in last and then click on apps. Now scroll down and click on Safari. After clicking on Safari, then scroll down and here you can see the option block pop-ups. If you want to unblock your pop-ups in Safari, then simply turn this button off. And if you want to block your pop-ups in Safari, then simply turn this button on. So this is the way to turn on or off, block or unblock pop-ups view in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.